Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Mefi, and if you are new here, kindly consider to subscribe. You drop your comment down below and you share to your friend. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back to my channel, and thank you for always watching my videos. So today I just wanted to do this video at night because you can see I'm in sports clothes and I was doing some jogging. Then I wanted to make this video and show you how it looks at night. So I'm jogging along CORNICHE way, and it's at night. You can see there are so many people who are doing like exercise at night. So I just want to do this video and show you how it looks along CORNICHE at night. It's 11, so it's 11 at night. It's 11 p.m. So I'm gonna take you through CORNICHE way, and so that you can see how it looks definitely. So guys, make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go. You can see actually it's at night, and this is how it looks. So that's the highway over there. There are some vehicles that are passing over there, and I'm just walking on the pathway you can see here. So guys, let's go. My camera may not be very clear enough for you because you can understand it's at night. So guys, don't forget to watch this video and remember to subscribe. So let's go. Like, we are going to winter season, so the climate here is not very hot like before. The climate is very nice, like it's going to be winter, so it's not very hot like before. Before it used to be like maybe 35 degrees, 40 degrees, but now the climate is fair because we are going to winter season in just few days. Yeah, you can see there are so many people doing some exercise over there. You can see there are some people who are doing some exercise. Now the weather is very nice for you to jog, like doing some exercise. You can see some people are jogging over there. Yeah, and also remember it's a festive season. Like, there are different types of occasions that are going to come, like Christmas Day and national days and others. So as you can see here along CORNICHE highway, there are some types of decorations that they put. Let me go close and show you. So these things, they usually have some lights, and these lights, they are very beautiful, but now they are not turned on because the national day is going to be on December, but they are just starting like preparations. So you can see here, so along CORNICHE highway, there are some bulbs. You can see like this one that is hung over here, and this is the highway actually. So you can see some vehicles passing over there. So you can see some decorations that are over there, but they're actually not on because National Day is next month, December. So let's have a walk, guys. I'm just walking at the highway. You can see I'm just walking here, and this is the highway, and this is the pathway where you can jog, and that's the highway where vehicles are passing. So this is how it looks, and it's 11 at night, 11 p.m. and this is how it looks. Actually, there are so many nice lights, so it looks like it's during the day, but it's 11 p.m. and there are so many people who are jogging over here, and others are running, doing some exercise and gymnastics, because this is the best time for someone to do exercise. Yeah, and what I love a lot, like the best thing that I like here, because there are so many trees that gives you fresh air, and also there are so many nice flowers that smells good, and there are some lights you can see where you are walking to. She's running away. So these are the lights that I was talking about. So I'm just walking along Corniche Highway.